Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HENC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis past few days, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. First thing I need to do is I'm going to adjust this level of support, and the key dynamic here is the question to ask yourself, okay, well, what direction is this support being adjusted? And in this situation, the support needs to be adjusted up here to 13 cents, and the key thing there is, well, it was adjusted higher. That's always a bullish sign. Whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher and higher, that's what you want to see. So one of the newest areas of support, now at 13 cents. You'll also continue to have that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. I've talked about that level time and time again in past videos. But from the overarching standpoint, so I'm going to actually zoom out real quick to just give more context. But as you can see here, this purple line, absolutely beautiful upward slope to it. So from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Preferably that's what you want to see the price stay above. But if the price doesn't hold above that level and it falls below the 50 period, not the end of the world or anything like that, because again, you still have 13 cents as that next level of support with a whole lot of other supports. But as of right now, given the price isn't even close to breaking down through that 50 period moving average, no really point to put any more time and effort into other areas of support. But the big dynamic going forward, and this is not some sort of great discovery, and I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have with this area of resistance right here. I've talked about it in the past, but right up around 21.5 cents. You can see rejected the price there, rejected the price earlier on in the day, and then late day. Price never quite hit it, but got within the ballpark. So the big question going into next week is, hey, is there a breakout that's ready to take place here? Like you said, not trying to say I have some sort of special skill to point out that level of resistance. A lot of people are going to be watching that and wondering the same thing. So self-fulfilling prophecy or not, whatever you want to call it, if the price can break through there, especially if it's a high volume break, then yeah, could very well get quite dynamic. So next week going to be very, very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.